Boy, is it nasty out here. Been driving all day and probably only made it about 200 miles. Currently doing 35. Still got 100 miles or so to St. Louis, Missouri. That's my goal. Hopefully it'll stop snowing once I get down there. But a few things that I'm noticing. Seems like everyone that's off the road is in like the middle median. So what does that tell you? Stay in the right lane where all the snow is melted for the most part. Probably seen 50 or so cars in the ditch so far. The worst one, someone was up against the tree line up on the side of their car. Then you had all these people park on the shoulder to run out and help them. That was coming. And then I'm assuming all those people that stopped to help, thinking they're doing a favor. I'm assuming all of them got stuck on the highway. Because when the plows go by, they throw all the snow onto the shoulder. Another thing I'm noticing on the exit ramps, a lot of people are getting stuck, so if you can help it, stay off the exit ramps unless it's like a truck stop or something. So obviously those are going to be last to be plowed. Damn, this guy really wants to talk to me.